Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did my face mask. Well, there's none of them nowhere, so I had to come up with something. Well, it's super easy to do. You don't need a sewing machine. You just need like a needle and some thread and you'll be alright. You can use any like tissue fabric from your house, anything. You can cut from anything to do a couple of them if you want to. Now, it doesn't need to be super fancy and expensive. It's something you can in your closet or something, anything. Well, as you already know, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the video. But before I go, I just want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to like and leave a comment if you try it. If you try to do some of them, leave a comment down below. And during this time of this pandemic,